What is going on? What is going on here? I slept with my hair wet. This is how it looks. We're gonna give ourselves a quick at-home salon quality blowout, and I'm gonna show you how. But the first thing I'm gonna do is damp my hair just a little bit. And we're gonna take our earrings out. Next thing I'm gonna do is put my heat protectant cream in my hair. I love this brand. I've been using it for maybe like 10 years now. Paul Mitchell, the Neuro line, pre-blowout primer, but it's also good for like any thermal styling. And just like run it through your hair, and it smells. It smells so good. Like, I wish you guys could smell it. Next thing I'm gonna do is put some Kenra texture spray in my hair, because my hair does not hold curl at all. So for me, this makes a huge difference in terms of how long the blowout actually lasts. You don't want to do too much. Now I'm gonna section my hair. Clip it up and out of the way. Now I'm gonna go in with my roller brush. This is a boar bristle brush, and boar bristles are really good at polishing your hair, making your hair look super shiny once it's all said and done. Let me just say, first of all, that I am a former hairstylist professionally. Whenever you're attempting to do a blowout on yourself at home, you don't start blowing out your hair until it's like 85% dry. So you can do a rough blow dry, and then once your hair is just a little bit damp, that's whenever you go in with your round brush and you start doing your blowout. Also, I want to say that whenever you're holding your blow dryer, it's important that the air coming out of the blow dryer is going in the same direction that your hair follicle lays. So you don't want to be blowing the air this way. It's going to go up the hair shaft, and it's going to give you a rough finished look. It's not going to be as smooth or sleek looking. You want the air to go with the hair shaft and not against the hair shaft. And another thing, whenever you're doing the blow dry and you want your ends beveled, curled, you want that curl, you want that bounce, whenever you're doing this, always go away from your face. So always go away from your face. Don't go like this. Don't go like this. Just go away from your face. It's going to create that curl pattern. And then you're going to use a clip, a pin curl clip, whatever type of clip, clip it up so it can cool down and it can set in that pattern. And then once all is said and done, you can spray it. You can let your hair cool down. The longer the clips are in, the better. See, look at how that curl just, kind of hard to see with my black shirt, but now we're just gonna clip it. You can also use rollers for this. I'm just using these. I feel like rollers make my hair really staticky, so I just opt for these clips instead. Then I'm gonna go in with my good old Rave Mega Hold hairspray. We're just gonna spray it. Let it sit and cool down. Okay, now we're gonna take these out. Oh, you see the bounds? Now at this point, if you wanted to, you could put like a serum in your hair, but I'm not going to. And that's a blowout, okay?